Today, I'm going to be going over the most frequently asked questions when it comes to the TikTok Creator Fund. What's up, guys? It's me, Quincy Moreland, and I help you with social media tips and tricks on all the platforms. And lately, we've been talking about TikTok. So hey, you got questions? I got answers. Let's go ahead and get into it. How old do I have to be to apply for the TikTok Creator Fund? You have to be 18. There's no going around it. How does TikTok know if I'm 18 or not? When you applied and signed up for the account, you put in your birth date. Unfortunately, you can't change it. How many followers do I have to apply for the fund? You need 10,000 followers or more on TikTok to apply. What about my content? You need to be posting original and consistent quality content to be considered for the Creator Fund. I don't live in the United States. Can I still apply? No. Unfortunately, you have to be in the United States until the second phase is rolled out outside of the US. Another thing to remember is that your content will be reviewed, so the decision is ultimately up to TikTok. Now let's go ahead and go into some of the frequently asked questions on the app, because what I understand and what I'm finding out is people don't know what the requirements are and what the frequently asked questions are because they don't get the invitation. And unless you get the invitation, you can't click on it to see what all the requirements are unless you find it on social media somewhere. This next part are for those who don't see the link or who did not get the invitation on TikTok. I understand that you can't go through and see all of the requirements or even frequently asked questions without having that invitation, unless you find it somewhere on social media, which is actually backdated to June of 2020 and early August, but the questions are coming now. So I'm not going to be screen recording today like I normally would, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Creator, TikTok Creator Fund, and we are going to go to Support. So who is eligible? Now I'm going to read these, even though I've already mentioned a few, just to cover the basis, because I get all the questions on my past videos, and it helps me realize and understand that you don't have access to who's eligible unless it's on Google or social media somewhere, because you don't have the link. And so I realized I went to someone else's phone, and because they don't have the invitation, they don't have the link, they can't see, all of these questions. Creators who meet the following criteria are eligible to apply to the TikTok Creator Fund. Having a US-based TikTok account in good standing. So if you've gotten banned before, maybe one too many times, maybe even from your live, or for doing anything unethical, you might not qualify, or you would be likely to ask to reapply in 30 days. Have to be at least 18 years old, have to have at least 10,000 followers, have to have at least 10,000 video views in the last 30 days. And you have to post original content. So one other thing I want to mention is you don't qualify if you're uploading videos that you found on the internet. You don't qualify likely if you're just recording the TV screen of all of your gaming shows. So when someone reviews your account, they have to see, okay, he's not just recording the game the whole time. There's interaction between him and the game, him and the fans, him and who he's playing. It's entertainment, okay? They love it. So it can't just be you recording, okay, that's 15 seconds. Another video, 15 seconds. It has to be engaging, entertaining, some engagement going back and forth. How do you apply? If you're over 18 and located in the US, apply within the TikTok app by opening your account settings and selecting Creator Account, TikTok Creator Fund. So go to Creator Account, TikTok Creator Fund. Now many of you say you don't see that, so if you don't, you're just gonna have to wait until it pops up. But if you don't know, you're gonna go to your settings and select Creator Account, and then select TikTok Creator Fund. You must have a Creator or Pro account to apply to the TikTok Creator Fund. And in order to switch to a Creator or Pro account, what you want to do is you want to tap on Me, select Manage My Account, and then tap Switch to Pro account. When will I hear back from TikTok? you will hear back within 10 days after submitting your application. So I was automatically accepted. I didn't have to wait to hear back. A number of people that I know were automatically accepted because they already met the qualifications. I don't even think anyone reviewed the account, but it's saying right here that you will hear back within 10 days after submitting your application. What if I'm not accepted? Can I reapply more than once? If you believe that you are eligible to join the TikTok Creator Fund and your account is in good standing in accordance to our community guidelines and terms of service, you may reapply after 30 days. Hey guys, if you have any additional questions, drop them in the comments. I want to make sure that I can help you guys get on board if you're in the United States. That way you can start making money. Lately, I've been getting daily deposits into my account. It's a cool thing. I'm not going to discuss numbers and amounts anymore. I did do that on one of my videos, which will be in the link below. It was my first payment, actually my first, second, and third payment. Now my payments have went up and they've went down, but I'm not going to discuss that anymore. And I don't say any of that to brag, but you can make some money. You can make about $250 a day, and you can actually make more if you make a couple of videos and both of those videos get over 1 million views. If you have a video that has 4 million views, that's 250 times 4. So just keep that in mind. I have a video that has 3 million views. Imagine if I would have made that video after I applied. That would be 250 times 3. Now, mind you, you will have to pay taxes. You might want to eventually set up a business account because you got to take care of that yourself. Hey, frequently asked questions. I just want to answer some stuff short and to the point because I try to answer these questions sporadically in the comments. But I figure, you know what, let's just join a video together. Is it worth it? Yes, it's definitely worth getting paid from the Creator Fund because I see the potential. I see that if I put some quality videos together and while I'm asleep, I could just be making money. You know, while I'm somewhere doing something, working for 3 days, I could just be making money off of some videos that I already recorded. All right, guys, so hey, find me on TikTok. My link is in the description below. Don't forget to share this video with someone who can use it and benefit from it. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, what are you doing? There's all kinds of videos on TikTok tips and how-tos and tutorials. Make sure you look for my playlist, which goes over a lot of the features that are on TikTok and why you can't find certain features, and also how to get certain features if you take the steps that I suggest, and then hopefully you can get those features as I have also. No guarantees, this is just things that work for me. But alright guys, hey, hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to talking with you soon.